Hey guys, Donovan here at Wilkins Harley-Davidson. Here's a 2016 Ultra Classic FLH TCU in Vivid Black. Mileage is 15,468. During the dyno certification, Wilkins only put up just under $200 into this bike. That's because the previous owner had just completed the 15,000 mile service with us by our technicians in-house prior to trading this motorcycle. So essentially all we really needed to do was go back through the bike on our dyno certification. We ran it on the dyno. We flushed the brake fluid. We did replace the master cylinder reservoir and gasket on the front and rear brake systems as we were flushing the brake fluid. So moving on to the accessories on this bike, some of my favorite features of the 2016 model year: it's a 103 cubic inch motor, a 6-speed transmission. This particular model, being an Ultra Classic, does have some glove box storage here. The twin cooled models no longer have that feature because that's where the twin cooling systems, some of the components are housed, but this model does have glove box storage, which is nice. It does have a high flow air cleaner and Screaming Eagle slip-ons, so has a nice little throaty rumble to it above the stock configuration and a little bit more horsepower and torque than the stock configuration. This model does have the LED headlights, the signature, the Daymaker headlights and passing lamps. They came from the factory that way this particular model year. Again, Vivid Black with some nice double pinstripe. The speakers are stock in the fairing and the tour pack, so you do have surround sound, so to speak, in the stock configuration. A great way to get into a touring bike. Again, for the value, this is kind of a nice way to get into a comfortable two-up motorcycle to put some longer miles on, some longer trips. You can fit 2 full-face helmets in the tour pack, no problem. And it has electronic cruise control, the 6.5 GTE radio, so touchscreen, GPS standard feature, and Bluetooth technology there. Again, Donovan from Wilkins Harley-Davidson, 2016 Ultra Classic FLH TCU. Looking forward to speaking with you in person. Give us a call at the shop, 802-476-6104.